Layla, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
It's my first day of school.
It's my first day at school.
And I'm gonna be a big pimp.
No, I'm not.
Say I'm fly. You got a big old backpack.
Okay. Yeah, this is it then. So we'll wait over here. We're gonna wait for the other.
Layla, wait by the gate. Don't go in yet. This is where Sarah's gonna pick you up, okay? Do you have something to say before you go in?
This is first, guys. Wait till the other videos come out.
Are you guys from Adventure Time?
Do you have something to say to the camera before you go in?
Back up my class, all the way out here, all the way. Sarika, behind the red line.
We don't. We don't.
Okay. Oh, we're taking movies? I'm Mrs. Dotson. This is August 30th, the first day of kindergarten for Layla, and I also had Ray Lynn and Ray, and there's Mommy, Ray, and Daddy, Ray.
Say hi,
Okay.
Layla.
Okay, so now you have to do the tour with me. We need the parents. Hello.
All right, well, pick a hug.
Is this from you? Okay. What I want you to do. What is your name?
Okay, let's go look for the bathroom and the sink. Over here. The bathroom and the sink's over there.
The doors is that first one, and that's where we'll put notes and stuff like that.
Come on over here. Get a little, like, and
So
just
here
write
she
down
finds her
his
table.
name on here.
Take her
And
table.
put it by on the sink, okay? And then follow the tour, okay?
Over here's the bathroom and the sink.
Pencil or pen, and put it by the sink over there.
There's the sink. And that's where you wash your hands. Okay, show me which one's the girls' bathroom. Where? Yay.
That's the boy bathroom.
Yes, that's the boys' bathroom. Okay, now let's go look for your mailbox. Let's go look for your mailbox.
Tour, you stay with your child until the bell rings.
Over here, Layla.
Exactly what to do right now. So come on in. Okay.
Come over here. Oh, they don't have your mailbox yet. Okay, let's go find your table.
You're Hassan's mom, right?
Let's look for your name. Let's look for your name. Look at the folders. Find your name. Find your name. Find your name. Oh, is it over here?
Someone here to take a picture.
No, that's not your name. You gotta look for your
Find the
name.
alphabet calendar. That's up here. The alphabet calendar.
I see your name. You're at the red table. Sit down, Lala.
Then after that, then you're gonna go outside, go to the playground, to play with your child until the whistle blows.
Okay, let's go put on your name
In
tag.
front of the classroom,
Let's go get your name tag.
and then these are the rules on the back of the playground.
You love it? You so happy? Okay, come on. Where's your name tag? Put it on your shirt. No, no, no. It's a sticker. You gotta take it off and put it on.
How do you take it off?
Do you want me to help you? Oh, you got it. Good job. Stick it on your shirt. Yay. Stick it on really good. Okay. Now we have to...
What next? Everyone took that.
Can you find the alphabet calendar? Find me the alphabet calendar with the ABCs on it. That's not a calendar. I see it. it's over there on the cabinet. That's the number calendar. Where's the number calendar? There's the number calendar. Okay, next we have to do number on the cabinet. We have to do number 9.